Hey guys, it's Boot, and welcome back to another Forex Weekly Outlook. In regards to last week's Forex Weekly Outlook, I was completely wrong, and I totally take entirely responsibility if you based it off of my weekly outlook. Totally did not go as planned, as the US dollar index decided to reverse and head back up. Now I'm going to be discussing what I'm going to be looking at going into next week. It'll be a little, I guess, conditional based on how things happen in the dollar index, as all of our pairs that I analyze in these outlooks depend on the US dollar. So here, let me minimize that. Looking at the daily, what we have here is we had a very strong bull run, starting with the opening of the week and going all the way up until the closing, until we reached a zone right here. So if we go into, let's go to the 4 hours, so it's a little bit better to see. So we do have a pretty strong zone here, multiple touches. But okay, so there are two things that actually could happen here. We could see respect of this, and we could be dropping down to 96, which could result in buys for EURUSD or sells of the USDJPY, or buys of GBPUSD. But we could see the dollar going all the way up to our key level of 97. Key levels work in that usually they go from level to level before reversing, but we could see a mid key level reversal here back down to our 96 and possibly back to 97. What I was looking at last week is I wanted to think that there was going to be a bear run here. Reason being, we had pretty strong uptrend here. We had a bit of a pullback here, and it seems that we're going to be heading back up, and if we make it back to 97, we'd be going back sort of into the consolidation of the dollar. Not exactly. I'm not entirely sure what's happening to the dollar right now, as we are not trending, and I am a trend trader. So let's go. So keeping in mind that the dollar could extend all the way to 97 or decide to pull back right now, we'll head to EURUSD. EURUSD also did not go as planned at all. I was thinking about buying here off of the 0.618 retracement and going back up, but that did not occur, so I sold off of our zone right here. There was a brief retest, and I wasn't risking much, so I decided to get in, and I don't think I closed the trade here. I think I still have it open. I forgot to close it. That's my mistake. I probably should have closed it, but if we decide to reverse, we could probably turn around before reaching the TP I had originally set on here, which is like 1.3100. But other than that, last week we had a very, very, very clean and strong downtrend. Now, you could have capitalized on this if you had sold up here. I decided to sell off of the retest of the zone. But going into next week, I think we are definitely going to be looking for buys on this zone if price gets down there. But keep in mind, if we do see the dollar going to 97, then we're probably going to see EURUSD go a lot lower than expected. Probably down to at least 1.29 before reversing. We could see like this down here, but what I'm expecting is definitely buys going into, expecting the dollar index to flip. If the dollar index does not flip, we would definitely be looking for sells. Going into USDJPY, again, did not go as planned. I expected it to come back down, did not come back down at all, so we had, I don't even know what to say about that. I'm pretty mad about that. But going into this, we had a bit of a consolidation here and just not much movement that I could capitalize on. This was pretty much the only actual strong move that happened at the beginning of the week. But other than that, we just had this very rapid up and down choppy motion. So here, let me move this. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with USDJPY as of now. I mean, there is the US dollar, which is supposedly, well, by my analysis, is probably going to flip, and we could see a drop from here down to probably our consolidation zone. Well, the bottom of our consolidation zone. But besides that, I don't like USDJPY right now just due to the choppiness of it. GBPUSD also did not go to plan from last week's outlook. We had a very strong, let me delete this. We had a very strong pullback, and that, well, let's see here. So we had a pullback here, pretty strong respect for here, and we could be looking to go back up to around 1.30457 during market open. But other than that, again, I'm a little unsure of what's happening right now. I'm used to trading trends, and what we have here is we are going from a bull trend to a bearish trend, but we could be looking to make a wave here and go back down. So other than that, I'm sorry if it's a little confusing, but it's all based off of what the dollar does, and I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen with the dollar because there just isn't that much confluence that I can go off of. Another announcement is I'm actually probably going to be taking a break from actually trading. I'll still do these analysis for you guys, but I'm a little preoccupied with school at the moment, and I need to focus on that. And because trading is a very psychological thing, well, I just need to put my time towards studying. Hope you guys understand. Other than that, boot out. Thanks for checking out my video. If you liked what you saw, definitely hit the subscribe button below and hit that like button. Other than that, see you guys next time.